Drones in Japan. What are drones? A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle that receives remote commands from a pilot. It relies on technology like radio signals to operate. Drones can contain technological characteristics like ultrasonic, lasers, chemical sensors, and stabilization sensors. Who is using drones in Japan? Everyday people in Japan are using drones. They are used for things like YouTube vlogging or weddings to document from an aerial view for aerial photography. Japanese communication companies like KDDI and a map maker company called Zenrin and others in Japan launched a drone delivery service. They partnered with the U.S. aerospace company SpaceX Starlink. They used their satellite internet access service in Chichibu, a mountainous city in Japan. By connecting a drone to the Starlink service provides a stable communication environment even in mountainous regions. The new delivery service allowed residents in the district of Chichibu affected by the recent mudslide that happened the past year to receive food and other supplies on a regular basis. Companies like Drone eMotion is partnering with the government to catch footage of popular national events like the Olympics. Individual cities and villages have their own Facebook pages in hope of showing their attractions from the high aerial view. So Drone eMotion are partnering with the government to capture footage, which then are shared across social media, and cities and villages are creating their own Facebook pages with their own aerial views and pictures, hoping that they'll gain some government attention. Why are they using drones in Japan? Where are they using drones in Japan? In Tokyo, the government has allowed 4 level drone flights. Level 4 drone flights. Level 1 is where human pilots stay within the visual range of the aerial vehicle. These flights are typically for things like aerial photography or bridge inspections. Level 2 are the automated with a programmed departure, speed, route, and arrival that takes place within a visual range. These flights are often conducted to spray crops or to survey land for civil engineering projects. Level 3 are out of visual sight flights over uninhabited areas. They are permitted in places where humans are not usually present, such as over rivers, the ocean, forests. These test flights conducted by Japan pose for transport between post offices in Japan, especially in the northern region, to fall into this category. Level 4 are automated drone flights over residential or urban areas. These will only be permitted through the central government for each flight. They could be used to deliver packages from warehouses to private residences or elsewhere that needs packages delivered. Why are they using drones in Japan? So I just decided to focus on Rakuten, which completed Japan's first drone delivery demonstration flight to a mountainous region in Japan. So the strengths are, this is the first company in Japan to conduct a successful demonstration of delivering supplies by drone flight. So they're the first of something, so that's a strength in itself. Some opportunities is, since this was the first delivery and is known to be done successfully, the demand for the drone deliveries will increase. Some weaknesses are drones require much maintenance and the cost to develop the drones is costly as well. Threats are drones have the possibility of being hijacked or manipulated by an outside source. How can drones help with SDGs in Japan? So wildlife drones radio tracking technology has the capacity to significantly reduce carbon emissions in conservations or in commercial agriculture. Drones can be used for surveillance to fight wildfires or environmental monitoring. The emergence of drones has the potential to revolutionize various industries and city services, as they can provide significant benefits to the state or local governments. or the country or local governments within Japan, including law enforcement support, border surveillance, uh, wildfire, fighting wildfires, conducting inspections, environmental monitoring, or disaster management. Two truths and a lie. So the first one, it is possible for drones to be manipulated, or it is impossible for drones to be manipulated. Drones use radio signals to receive commands from the operating pilot, and there are 4 levels of drones allowed in Tokyo, Japan. And that's it. Thank you.